Yo, welcome back to the channel, Tony the Traveler, and I got a little special video today. So the other day when I was on my home time, we had decided to make shepherd's pie. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna record it, and I was just gonna drop it as like a TikTok or like a YouTube short, but I didn't film it in the right format. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna make it a YouTube video, but I'm gonna do like a review on it. So I'm gonna say this kind of like a review on how Tiffany did. It really was us making it, but it really was her, because you feel me, she the professional. So we're gonna see how she did, and we're gonna grade her at the end from a 1 to 10. So I got the video up right now, and let's see how she did. Alright, play. Alright, so we starting out with the buttery home style mashed potatoes. Okay, with the mixed veggies. Alright, I already got the meat on the stove, you feel me? We started a little late recording, you feel me? So bomb. Alright, got the water, hitting the water in the pot. I don't know how many cups she did. It looked like about 4 or 5, something like that. So you got the meat boiling, you got the water on the way to boiling. Bam. Okay. Ooh, pour a little milk in there. Let's see how she, ooh, spillage. Tiff, I gotta take a point off for that, you feel me? Okay, made up for it, add a little more in there. Okay. Stir it up. Good technique. I like the technique. Okay. A little better. Okay, meat starting to cook. Got a little boil going to the meat. Okay. Make sure you drain that now, Tiff. Make sure you drain that, girl. All right, let's see what kind of seasoning she got. So we got the onion powder, the garlic, something else. Okay, the Lowry's. Okay. A little parsley. All right. Pour that on. Oh no, Tiff, the technique. You could have been a little higher with it. You feel me? You feel me? But I ain't gonna take no points off of that one, because your stir game good. So, drop the mixed veggies in there. Okay. Who that is eating over there, hanging out? Okay. Drop the mixed veggies in, stir them in good. Straight to the potatoes, no plan. So you gotta stir them things good. They gotta get thick. Let's see how she do. Okay. Turn the stove down a little bit. Okay, okay. All right, now, this is where the technique really come in hand. Like, you gotta layer this thing right. So, boom. That's the first layer. Okay. First layer was good. Okay, she working on the second layer now. Okay. Good technique. Little scoop game. Good. Okay. Oh, not the whole pot. She went crazy. Okay. Now, this was she messed up at. I remember this, because I was like, bro, now you know you ain't making enough mashed potatoes. So let's see how she do. Okay, so she made up for it, you feel me? It looked good, got the little cheese on top. This before it went in the oven. Okay, so this when it came out, well, I remember that smell. Smelled so good. And you can see it's still hot. Still got the little bubbles on the side and all that. Well, that thing was good, I ain't gonna lie. So Tiff, now you know we had to knock that 1 point off. So I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10 on this one. So you gotta make that up. You gotta get that 10 out of 10 now. I don't know what you finna cook next, but you gotta get that 10 out of 10. So that's a 9 out of 10 right there, Tiff. So, but good job. It was good. Let me know if y'all like this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I think I'm gonna do a lot more videos like this. Like, it's fun. I kind of like it, actually, to be honest with you. So I'll see y'all next time. I'm out. 47 tears.